Meantime, the pandemic has left some local restaurants struggling to stay afloat. Now, 35 restaurant owners have sued Governor Newsom. Moses Small is in studio now with more. Moses?
Jim, thank you. The governor's stay-at-home order limits restaurants to takeout and delivery only. The lawsuit claims the governor's order went too far. So here's a look at how these restaurants are bringing their concerns from the kitchen into the courtroom. The restaurant lawsuit claims the governor limited food service without considering the consequences. The restaurants in the case employ nearly 800 Kern County residents who say their industry can't survive on takeout and delivery orders alone.
We are asking the court to forbid the governor from preventing outdoor seating specifically.
One CDC study says about half of adults with COVID-19 reported eating at a restaurant before they got sick. But the study doesn't distinguish between indoor and outdoor seating. The attorney says there's little evidence outdoor seating poses a large risk of catching COVID-19.
At a minimum, you need at least 15 minutes of exposure and very close contact with the other people talking. On a patio that's been spaced out and protected, you're just not going to have that kind of exposure or risk.
The restaurants suing the governor say they're not making enough money without dine-in orders, and the alternatives can be pricey.
Takeout food usually costs between, I'm told, 30 to 45% more. My clients have told us that they have spent a lot of money, in some cases well past $15,000, in order to be able to serve outside.
Local law enforcement has no plans of enforcing the stay-at-home order, but some restaurant owners fear the state could take their liquor licenses and shut their ovens off for good.
What they can darn sure is suspend a bar, and if you serve liquor or serve food during your suspension, the next step is probably complete revocation.
The law firm says at least 10 more restaurants are interested in joining the suit. And we want to take a moment here to make a correction on a version of this story that we ran yesterday. We said Hotels Country Dining is part of the suit, and it is not, so we apologize for that mistake. In studio, Moses Small, 17 News.